బాబా
హలో 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 నెక్స్ట్ 1 2 3 హలో 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 హలో
बस अर्चित प्रार्चिताः
सम्राजं च विराजं च अभिश्रीर्याचिनो गृहे लक्ष्मी राष्ट्रस्त्रिया मुकेतया मानो गुंसि जातवे लोकामश्वं पुरुषं जगतो अभिप्रदग्न आगहि स्त्रिया मा परिपातया कविं कवीनामुपवश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्वन्नन्नादिभिः सेदसादनम् ॐ महागणाधिपतये नमः। दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वञ्जिगातु भेषजं पुरुषः सहस्राक्षसहस्रपात् सभौमिं विश्वतो भूत्वा अत्यनिष्ठशाङ्कुलं पुरुषकेवेश्वरोः भूतानि त्रिपादश्राम्बुदञ्जलि त्रिपादोः ततो विश्वञ्जङ्क्रामतो शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराडजायत पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवायज्ञमतन्मतः वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्ञकृताः देवायज्ञं तन्मानाः अबद्धं पुरुषं अबद्धं पुरुषं वशं तं यज्ञं परिषति प्रोक्ष्यं पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अय्यन्तः साध्यारुषयज्ञये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वौतः रुजस्थापानि यज्ञेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तरुद्ररूपेभ्यः ॐ नमामीश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदाशिवोऽं शतमनोद्यमायुष्कामय पुरुषशतवीर्य आयुष्केवैनं दद्वीर्य इन्द्रिये ददाति स्वस्ति मन्त्रा सबला सन्तु वेदोक्तं परिपूर्ण अनुग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु।
And galaxy of guests on this glorious occasion of DAV High School Night Band Annual Day celebrations. This colorful evening, the school put on a festive and elegant appearance with vibrancy and happiness, as it is brought by the gracious presence of the renowned and versatile personalities as our guests. Truly, it is a day of rejoicing and merry-making the history of DAV High School Night Band. My joy knows no bounds in welcoming you on this joyous occasion and affords me immense pleasure to invite amazing, accomplished and warm-hearted guests of this exuberant evening. On this luxurious and marvelous ceremony, I take this privilege to welcome Sri PDN Nasamrao Garu, Chief Engineer, Chairman LMC, AP Genco, Sri Shanam Prasad Night Band, and accomplished academician, a down-to-earth gentleman. You are incredible, magnificent, sensational, stupendous, and you have outdone yourself. Before I welcome our chief guest, I would like to present an accolade for our endearing leader, Sri Narasimha Garu. Your efforts are bountiful. Your perseverance and confidence is limitless. Your thoughts and deeds are speechless. Your strength and worth is admirable. Quality and spontaneity is graceful. Your farsightedness and masterfulness is skillful. We have the will to thanks for me. Now, I humbly request our chief guest to grace the dais. I request Mr. Sharma sir to escort our chief guest. I call upon Ravi sir to present the badge to our guests. And there is a beautiful definition of WOMAN. W for wonderful, O for outstanding, M for marvelous, A for adorable, N for nice. No man succeeds without a good woman behind him. So is the case of our CSR spouse, Srimati P. Brahmanabhagavad, who is natural, sacrificial, celestial, spiritual and exceptional woman. I extend my lovely welcome to Srimati P. Brahmanam Garu, a woman of strength, courage and dignity, onto the stage. Inspiring, motivated, a humble human being with a divine virtues and reverence. A man of hospitality and integrity. You are stunning, spectacular and radical. I humbly request you, sir, to grace the dais. I request Mr. Kotar, sir.
Sir, sir.
Honor of this gala day, Sri M. Maheswar Garu, Regional Officer, DAV Institutions, Simandra Zone 2. A staunch Arya Samajist, a star of repute, philosopher of philosophers, a man of unswerving, unwavering and unflinching loyalty, and architect of DAV Simandra Zone Arena, and believes in nurturing and stimulating learning minds, propelling and igniting thought process and bringing transformations to the streets of creativity. I humbly request you, sir, to embellish the dais with your gracious presence. I request Mr. Ravi, sir, to escort our guests of honor onto the dais.
Sir, sir. Sir.
Come to Sri Srinivas Reddy Garu, Executive Engineer, ONM1, AP Jumbo, Mr. Right Band, a man of high caliber and thought-provoking, a man of pleasantness and kind thoughts, confident in his own mind, having formidable intellect to accomplish something wonderful in life. You are terrific, courageous, awesome, and phenomenal. I request Mr. Ram Reddy, sir, to accompany the guest of honor onto the dais. I call.
Sir.
Full welcome to Sri Rangvi Sudhakar Garu, Executive Engineer, ONM2, AP Jumbo, Sri Salman Right Band. You are incomparable, you are expressive, impressive, and put amazing effort in everything you do. You are a man of principles and policies, a man with honest endeavor and persistent effort, always vocal in support. I request you, sir, to come onto the dais. I request Mr. Murthy, sir, to accompany our guests onto the dais. Welcome to Sri Narendra Reddy Garu, Accounts Officer, AP Jumbo, a man of pleasing personality, blessed with qualities of perfection, attention, constructive, demonstrative, and progressive. I request you, sir, to grace the dais. I request Mr. Praveen, sir, to accompany our guests onto the dais. I call upon Ms. Harshini of Class 9 to present the bouquet to our guests. Devotional heart, an inspiring symbol of integrity and truthfulness, gifted with creative genius and loyalty. I humbly request you, sir, to come onto the dais. I request Mr. Prasad, sir, to escort our guests onto the dais. I call upon Ms. Maitreyi of Class 5 to present the bouquet to our guests. Ladies and gentlemen, production please. To make this momentous, Dr. S. Harsha Garu, a renowned and exceptional sketch artist who is a world record holder as well as the fastest Indian artist entitled with innumerable accolades and encomiums, and is conferred Karamveer Chakra Award, Lord Bhudra National Award, Dynamic Artist of the Year 2019. It's a pride of honor to him to receive Indian Guinness Record. Let's give a thoughtful applause for his limitless and speechless contribution as an impeccable artist. I request Mr. Potter sir to escort our guests. I call upon Amrita Varshini applause and present bouquet to our guests. Now, I would like to welcome a man of uncompromising quality, simplicity, personality, dignity and grace. He is none other than Sri Manmohan Garu, a dynamic principal of DAV Right Band. His endeavors truly speak of his passion to promote quality education in the school. I request, sir, to please come on to dais. I call upon Chaitanya Plastic to present bouquet to us, sir.
Sir.
Porter sir to take over the mic.
Parents, dignified teachers, my dear students, and all present invitees. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on the glorious occasion of Mega Annual Day celebrations. Today is an important day for all of us. The entire colorful decorated environment has brought festivity in the school premises. Even the Mother Nature blessed us on our happiness and excitement by spreading a pleasant smile on this precious day. We are giving high school Srisaila right back. Now it's time for traditional lamp lighting ceremony. Subham Karoti Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhanam Sampada, Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya, Deepam Jyoti Namostute. ఆరోగ్యాన్ని కళ్యాణంను సమస్త సంపదలను ప్రసాదిస్తుంది. దివ్యమైన వారు చీఫ్ ఇంజనీర్ శ్రీశైలం రైట్ బ్యాంక్ అండ్ ఆల్ అదర్ డిగ్నిటరీస్ ఆన్ ద డాస్ టు మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు లైట్ ద ల్యాంప్. I like to call upon our prayer group students.
Sir.
And Sri M. Uma Maheswara Garu, Regional Officer, DAV Institutions, Andhra Zone 2, and Sri K. Srinivas Reddy Garu, Executive Engineer, and Sri M. V. Sudhakar Garu, Executive Engineer, and Narendra Reddy Garu, Accounts Officer, and other guests on stage, and parents, students, once again pleasant evening to one and all. This is one of the most important prestigious award for student life. There is a proverb, hard work never fails in everyone's life. So everything is possible by doing hard work. Now it is proudly to be announced that class 10th had appeared. 35 students are in March 2019 and got 100% result out of 35 students. 24 students got more than 9 and above GPA. 3 students got 10 GPA. For these students, every year the Genco management has been awarded cash prize for the school toppers. Now, I request Chief Guest Sri PVL Narasimha Rao Garu, Chief Engineer, to give away the academic prizes to our school
toppers March 2019. Are proud to come and collect cash prize and memento from our chief guest, D. Janavi.
బాబాయ్ ఫ్లాష్ పెట్టుకోకూడదు.
Now I call upon M. Nagadipika. Give a big round of applause to our academic toppers. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I hand over the mic to Venkatraman.
were selected for the national level. The meet was held on 27th and 28th of September, 4th, 5th of November and 10th, 11th, 12th of December. For the boys respectively for cluster, zonal and nationals. 23rd, 24th, 25th of November. Zonals were held at RTPP, BDL and Kugatpalli zonals. National for the boys Hyderabad and for girls in Haryana. I request our esteemed chief guest, Sri Umama Stragaru, to give away the medals to the winners. The winner in the 800 meters running race is Sindhu Reasons. Next, I call upon Master Srinivas, who stood winner at the 4th place in swimming nationals.
చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరు పేరు కూడా మా యొక్క డిఏవి వార్షికోత్సవానికి ఇచ్చేసి ఇంత ఆనందోత్సవంగా మీరు పాల్గొనడానికి వచ్చిన మీ అందరికీ ఇదే మా స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. ఆర్కే కళా సాంస్కృతిక ఫౌండేషన్ వారు రవీంద్ర భారతి హైదరాబాద్లో డ్యాన్స్ కాంపిటీషన్ నిర్వహించారు. అందులో మన విద్యార్థులు, మన డిఏవి విద్యార్థులు ప్రథమ స్థానంలో వచ్చారు. యువర్ బిగ్ హ్యాండ్. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ శ్రీ రాంబాబు గారు, సూపరింటెండెంట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ గారు బహుమతి ప్రదానం చేయవలసిందిగా సవినయంగా ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాం. నయనయామిని ఫ్రమ్ 9th క్లాస్. క్లాసికల్ డ్యాన్స్లో కూడా ప్రథమ స్థానంలో నిలిచారు. మన విద్యార్థులు ఆరుగురు ప్రథమ స్థానంలో వచ్చారు. హైదరాబాద్ రవీంద్ర, దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ గ్రేట్నెస్, దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ డిఏవి, ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ అమృత వర్షిణి ఫ్రమ్ 8th క్లాస్. అమృత వర్షిణి. సహస్ర ఫ్రమ్ 6th క్లాస్. Giving applause. Sahasra from 6th class. Kumari Chaitanya from 5th class. 6 members classical dance. All 6 members. First prize. They got a first prize in Ravindra Bharati. Aditya from 4th class. Nayanayamini from 9th class. Nayanayamini from 9th class. Himasuta 2 awards. Himasutaki D2 లో వచ్చేసింది. ఆర్కే కళా సమితిలో కూడా 2 అవార్డ్స్ వచ్చినాయి. సహస్ర from 6th class. The prize had Srinu garu on the Ravindra Bharati sir. Boyapati Srinivas garu icharu. Director, yes. ఒకసారి మీ ముందు ఇవ్వాలని మా చిన్న పిల్లల కోరిక. నయనయామిని ఫ్రమ్ 9th class ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్. క్లాసికల్ అండ్ వెస్టర్న్ డాన్స్. సూర్యమణి ఫ్రమ్ 9th class. I call upon our dance master, Navin side of all our DAV students. Navin sir, young and energetic dance master sir. This is our DAV. East or west, DAV is the best. Really sir, east or west, DAV is the best. They proved sir. Sir, thank you sir, thank you very much.
A warm and graceful welcome, honorable chief guest of honor, dignitaries, respectable parents, teacher colleagues, and my beloved children. Sir, here is a brief report on CCSL. The co-curricular activities supplement and complement the entire teaching process and are very important part that includes with academics, which sharpen students' multiple skills and effectively impact student learning outcomes. Thus, CCA becomes the integral part of curriculum of students' life. In our school, students from class 1 to 10 are divided into 4 houses such as Dayanand, Hansraj, Shraddhanand and Ujjanand houses for healthy competition among themselves. Students are awarded by their performance, and at last the achievements are consolidated for awarding overall championship that is presented for the house which is scored more points throughout the whole activities. So for this academic year, championship achievers house name was in the sealed house. I request our chief guest, Sri P.V.L. Narasimha Rao Sir Garu, Chief Engineer, Sri Sailam Right Bank, and the guest of honor, Sri Uma Maheshwara Sir, Regional Director, DAV Institutions, Simandra Zone 2, to announce the results from the sealed covers. So please, sir. Runner of overall championship for the session 2019 and 20. So I request all the house coordinators to get ready to receive the championship trophy from our chief guest and guest of honors.
Overall championship for session 2019-20 is Mirsanand House.
I request all the house captains, vice captains of Vijayanath House to come on to the dais. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request our chief guest to announce the
Winner of overall championship for session 2019-20 is Dayanand House.
19 and 20
మేడం మేడం
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I request my colleague
for his special performance for this event.
అందరికీ ఒక చక్కటి సర్ప్రైజ్ ఉంది. మన చేతిలో మొబైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రికార్డ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరగబోతుందో దాన్ని రికార్డ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే గడిచిన కాలాన్ని మళ్ళీ తీసుకురాలేను కాబట్టి ఇంకొంచెం సమయం గడిస్తే మళ్ళీ నేను వస్తాను. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటాను మైండ్లో నేనేం చేయాలి అని. ప్లీజ్ రిలాక్స్.
First of all, I should thank the Manmohan Headmaster and his staff for inviting me to be the chief guest on this beautiful occasion. I should congratulate the headmaster and the teachers for showing their efficiency in imparting quality education to the students, as this is reflected in the academics and extracurricular activities of the students and achievements of the school. Those are called efficient who do their tasks completely with the minimum available resources. The teachers and staff of school are executing their tasks efficiently. One thing to be noted is that teachers hold very respectable position in our society, as they are the only persons to influence the student and shape their future, thereby contributing to the overall development of our country. Our headmaster has taken certain good initiatives like organizing career guidance and counseling session for 10th class students, and to inculcate healthy habits among students by providing hand wash, created a WhatsApp group by the name Positive Parenting and restricted admin only to send messages and share very useful message to parents for their wards improvement. Like this, there are so many to say. Our school was established nearly 20 years back, and it has crossed several milestones to get this position. Finally, I shall conclude with the hope that the headmaster and the team show the same zeal and energy and put in their best efforts to develop the students in all respects, thereby improving the functioning of the school and leading to the improvement of the society. Now I request all the people present here to enjoy the beautiful evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your mesmerizing and inspirational and motivational message. Now, I am going obeisance to our esteemed regional officer, Sri M. Mohammed Garu, to bless our children on this good day occasion. Now, it's time to honor the most valued guests of the day, who made this evening memorable, unforgettable, notable, presentable, and sociable with their prolific and amiable presence and made this spectacular event successful. Thank you, sir. Now I request Thank you, sir. Now, next, I request our accounts officer, Sri Mahendra Reddy Garu. Now, window to our chief guest. Next, I would like to thank you, ma'am. Now I request of thank you, sir. I request Dr. S. Harsha Gargori. Their places in VIP enclosure. Please take your seats in VIP enclosure.
Invitations, my dear flying birds, I am indeed honored and highly elated to present before you the consistent upward graph of our esteemed institutions' achievements. I would like to thank each and every one for being a significant part of our glorious journey. According to Brent Tracy, a famous writer, develop an attitude of gratitude and give thanks for everything that happens to you, knowing that every step forward is a step towards achieving something bigger and better than your current situation. With this motto, I convey my indeed gratitude to our Genco management, which is a part and parcel of our academic excellence, competence and concise. I put forth a plethora of scholastic and non-scholastic achievements, activities of our school. The annual report shows the achievements and glories of our school, undoubtedly, but also makes us think deeply about shortcomings. We have been committed to create an environment in the school to help the young minds to bloom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. I wish to bring with you a performance on the academic front. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of our endeavors and educators. We are happy to share the details of accomplishments, performance of our students. Again, we have committed a legacy of academic excellence of SSC public examination by producing impressive record of 100% pass result, stupendous results of securing 3 10 GPAs, 3 9.8, and out of 35 students 100% result above, and out of 18 students secured more than 9 GPA. To extend students passing success in upcoming board examinations, a revision test and grand tests are being conducted. Apart from this, intensive coaching for class 10 students, study hours has been extended from morning 7 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. Apart from striving hard to attain exemplary academic standards, we believe in grooming every field of students' personality. Our students have made a mark with their accurate performance in scholastic and areas and inter-house competition included in CCA. In the month of June, we have celebrated Yoga Day by making our children performing many asanas and meditations. To inculcate leadership qualities and accountability, elections of head boy and head girl were held in the month of July. All the students showed active response and cast their vote in a democratic way to elect their leaders. In the month of July, many of our students participated Dharma Pariksha conducted by the TTD and given their best results. Our school office bearers were officially shown in a very important impressive ceremony in the month of August. The school cabinet was led by the head boy, Master Srinivas, and head girl Kumari Lakshmi Vinita. The ceremony began with the honor of the chief guest and followed by the collective march past. Our LMC chairman, Chief Engineer P.V.L. Narasimha Garu and Superintendent Engineer V. Rambabu Garu graced the occasion along with the other LMC members. National functions like Independence Day, Republic Day were celebrated with a great enthusiasm and patriotic fervor, where our students presented enthralling cultural shows during the occasions. The 5th September Teachers' Day was celebrated as Compliments Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This moment's occasion was graced by the esteemed chief guests and members. In the month of October, on the occasion of launch of D Square Acting School, conducted dance competitions in Ravindra Bharati, Hyderabad. Okay, few of our students participated and bagged prizes. Argent Kala Sanskrit Foundation conducted competitions in different areas of dance. Students participated and bagged it and brought the glories to the school. 17th October, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India conducted Swachh Bharat Awareness Program to create awareness among the cleanliness among the pilgrims in the Seychelles temple. 15 students have participated and displayed various activities and gained a lot of applause and appreciation from the temple authorities and pilgrims and tourists. In the month of October, our students children actively participated in the YSR Kanti Velugu program held by the Chief Ministers in the school premises. Apart from commemorating victories, sports field also aim to improving the lessons of sportsmanship up to the children. Physical education aims to work with a hand-glove approach towards the training of the mind and along with the physical attributes of the strength. The much awaited event of the year and appreciated their wisdom and the school functioning of the school. The staff put up in excellence, show their talent and extended the children on the occasion of Children's Day, which was celebrated on the 14th November. So without taking much time, it is an annual report. I convey my heartfelt thanks for everyone, especially for the AP Genco management, for giving this wonderful platform and wonderful opportunity for us. Thank you.
Excellent evening to one and all. Esteemed chief guests, adorable guests of honor, revered principal sir, praiseworthy teachers, parents. Today, I feel little nervous and scared to bid goodbye to everyone present over here as we have to leave this incredible heaven for learning and enjoying, that is the one and only best institution of this world, DAV, the treasure of talent and a ladder of success. Words really cannot fathom the depth of regards and gratitude we have for DAV in shaping us to what we are today. Though this partition is really very painful and inevitable, still my heart yearns for your pleasurable company because this cohesive relation is deep, pure, unconditional and flawless. Our school strives hard to create an effective ambience for developing inquisitive minds and compassionate souls to live and succeed in this highly competitive world. It helped us to develop morally upright, intellectually well-informed, emotionally balanced and culturally accomplished. We enjoyed every conceivable comfort here. We salute these corridors and silent walls which witnessed us to grow these strong grey stones into a flashy light. Hats off to my DAV, which means D for discipline, A for attitude and V for values. I and my entire class remember our dearest, loveliest and handiest principal sir, Sri Manmohan Garu, with reverence, who has sculpted our characters with intensive grooming. He is an embodiment of relentless hard work, telescopic vision and an inexhaustible source of inspiration for all of us. He is the greatest epic which is never written by any poet. We are really very fortunate enough and we feel very proud of our dedicated and praiseworthy teachers who are the pillars of strength and inspiration, who ignited our minds with courage, confidence and concentration. We convey our deep and heartfelt regards to our ever supportive, ever smiling and ever smashing heroes of our successful journey. To my juniors, I wish to give few tips. Remember always the three pillars of life: patience, sacrifice and hard work. Stay focused and motivated without distractions. Use social media as a tool to obtain more knowledge, not as a sinkhole. And time is the most valuable thing that one can spend. If you think an inch of time is an inch of gold, you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold. So use your time more wisely to make up your your esteemed regional only the good memories of the school. Also, it is our bonded responsibility to contribute something as a token of indebted gratitude towards our esteemed institution, DAV, which is, was, and will always be the best institution of this world. Lastly, I convey my immense gratitude and reverence to our dynamic principal sir, Sri Manmohan Garu, and our talented teachers for providing me this platform to speak fluently, confidently, and courageously, sharing my deep-hearted feelings about our alma mater. Thank you and namaste.
Hello. Thank you so much for the opportunity, sir. This is not my opportunity, this is my responsibility towards society and towards parents and the children. నేను మాట్లాడిన సార్ ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నా వినడం కంటే చేసి చూపించిన తర్వాత మాట్లాడితే బాగా వినొచ్చు. నేను ఫస్ట్ చేసి చూపించేస్తాను. 1, 2, 3 go. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. లాస్ట్ ఒక 5 లైన్స్ కొట్టట్లేదండి, క్లాప్ క్లియర్గా వినిపిస్తుంది. నో క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఈ స్కెచ్ గెస్ చేయాలి ఒకసారి.
मिस्टर अभिनंदन सर.
క్లాప్స్ ఉంటాయి. చేసి చాలా వెళ్ళవయ్యా మాకు పెట్టే క్లాప్ ఒకటి, ఇంకా చేయండి అనుకుంటే క్లాప్ ఒకటి. నాకు ఇంకా చేయండి అనే క్లాప్ ఎవరికి కావాలి? నాకు కావాలి ప్లీజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నాకు గిన్నీస్ బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్, ఇండియా బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్, లిమ్కా బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్లో చాలా బుక్స్ రికార్డ్స్ అవార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అవి ఎందుకు వచ్చాయి అంటే ఇందుకు వచ్చాయి. వీడియో కూర్చోట ఎవరైనా గీసారు స్కెచెస్, నడుస్తూ గీయడం కొంచెం కొత్తగా ఉంటుందని ఈ విధంగా చేశాను. దానికి నాకు గిన్నీస్ బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డులో నామినేషన్ వచ్చింది. దాంట్లో 15 లక్షల రూపాయలు వస్తే ₹1 కూడా నేను తీసుకోకుండా ఆ డబ్బుల్ని పుల్వామా దగ్గర చనిపోయిన సోల్జర్స్ ఫ్యామిలీస్కి అలా ఇచ్చేసాను అనమాట. నేను స్టార్ట్ అయినా కొంచెం స్టార్ట్ అయినా ఓకే. అండ్ మీ పిల్లలకి మీరు ఏం నేర్పించాలి అనుకుంటున్నారో అవన్నీ ఈ స్కూల్లో ఇప్పుడే చూశాను. ఇన్ని ప్రైజ్లు, ఇన్ని అవార్డులు ఉన్నాయి అంత చిన్న స్కూల్లో. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇంగ్లీష్లో అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు, అక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు. మీ స్కూల్లో ఇంగ్లీష్ చదవడం ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పిస్తే క్లియర్గా నేర్చుకొని నేను కూడా మాట్లాడతాను. అమ్మాయి ఇది ఇంగ్లీష్ నాకు రాదు, అందుకే నేను తెలుగులోనే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. అండ్ వీడియో ఫోటోస్ మీకు రీసెంట్గా పిక్చర్ చూస్తుంటారా? బహుశా ఒక హంతకులని వాళ్ళ తల్లలో నరికి అమ్మాయి ఇలా పట్టుకుంటుంది, బహుశా మీరు చూసే ఉంటారు. ఆ స్కెచ్ నేను డ్రా చేసింది. దాంతోపాటు 9 years బాబు, 4th class 5th class ఏజ్ బాబు ఆడుకుంటూ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్ తగిలి మొత్తం బాడీ కాలిపోయింది. హోల్ బాడీ బర్న్ అవుట్. హ్యాండ్స్, లెగ్స్ స్కెచ్. ఎవరైనా చూసారా ఈ స్కెచ్? ఎస్, అది గీసి చెప్పిన తర్వాత వస్తాడు. ఎస్, అది 7,41,00,000 మంది షేర్ చేశారండి. దానికి కూడా ఒక అవార్డు వచ్చింది. నాకు అవార్డు వచ్చినా నాకు ఆనందంగా లేదు, దాని జస్టిస్ జరిగిన దానికి ఆనందంగా ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ 9 years బాబు అని చెప్పాను కదా, ఈ బాబు చూడండి ఎంత ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉన్నాడో. ఆ బాబు ఆడుకుంటూ ప్రమాదవశాత్తు ఇలా జరిగింది. కాళ్ళు చేతులు మొత్తం ఈ విధంగా కాలిపోయాయి. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, జాలి పడాలా, సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వాలా? వాయిస్ వినిపించడం లేదు. జాలి పడాలా, సపోర్ట్ చేద్దామా? అర్రే పాపం కాళ్ళు పోయినాయి, చేతులు ఎలా బతుకుతాడో బాబు. అమ్మ మీ అబ్బాయికి బతికినట్టే లేదు. వాళ్ళ ఊళ్ళో వాళ్ళు ఆ అబ్బాయిని బాగా ఇబ్బంది పెట్టారు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ అబ్బాయికి నేనే చేతులు, ఐ అడాప్టెడ్ హీ. నేను ఆ బాబుని దత్తత తీసుకున్నాను. ఆ బాబుకి నోటి ద్వారా పెయింటింగ్ వేయడం నేర్పిస్తున్నాను. నౌ ఆ బాబు నేను కలిసి గిన్నీస్ బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్ అటెంప్ట్ 3 చేయబోతున్నాం ఢిల్లీలో, ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ అభినందన్ జీ. అభినందన్ గారి పెయింటింగ్ నోట్తో వేయిస్తాను ఆ బాబు చేత. దానికి డిఏవి స్కూల్ కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది అని తెలిసి రీసెంట్గా చెప్పాడు. చాలా హ్యాపీ ఉంది సార్ నాకు. ఎందుకంటే ఉన్నప్పుడే జాగ్రత్త పడాలి, లేనప్పుడు ఏం చేసినా కానీ తిరిగి రాదు. అది సమయం అయినా సరే, బాడీ పార్ట్స్ అయినా సరే. అర్థమైందా? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్ కంటెంట్ ఒక చిన్న అంశం అండి, ఒకటే ఒక బిట్ చెప్పేసి కట్ చేస్తాను. ఏరోప్లేన్ తెలుసా? ఏరోప్లేన్ తెలుసా? తెలుసా తెలీదా? పిల్లలు చెప్పినట్టు అందరూ తెలుసుకున్నట్టు. ఓకే, ఆ వీడియో అది చూస్తే ఒకసారి వినండి. ఏరోప్లేన్, రాకెట్ తెలుసా? ఇది ఒక్కసారి చెప్తా, మళ్ళీ చెప్పను, ఎందుకంటే ఇది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఏరోప్లేన్, రాకెట్ ఒక దగ్గర కూర్చున్నాయి, మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాయి. హాయ్ ఏరోప్లేన్, హాయ్ రాకెట్ అని. ఏరోప్లేన్ రాకెట్ అడిగింది, నువ్వు నాకంటే ఫాస్ట్గా ఆకాశంలోకి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతావు అని. అప్పుడు రాకెట్ అని చెప్పింది తెలుసా? నీకు కూడా కింద మంట పెడితే తెలుస్తుంది అని. ఎస్, క్లాప్. అవును కదా, రాకెట్కి ఫైర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆకాశంలో వేగంగా వెళ్తుంది. ఏరోప్లేన్కి ఏముంటుందండి, ఇక్కడ మనిషిని అక్కడ తిప్పుతుంది. సో మీరు రాకెట్లో ఉంటారా, ఏరోప్లేన్లో ఉంటారా? ఏరోప్లేన్లో ఉంటారంట. రాకెట్ ఫాస్ట్ వెళ్ళడానికి ఒక నిప్పు ఉంటుంది, ఫైర్ ఉంటుంది. నేను రాకెట్ని ఇక్కడ అందరూ రాకెట్గా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ, అండ్ రియల్లీ ఆ 10th క్లాస్ అమ్మాయి ఎవరో స్కూల్ హెడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎట్లా మాట్లాడిందో నాకు కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పించాలి సార్. ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్ ఎవరు నమస్కారం. ఐ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఐఎమ్ మీటింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్. ఐ డోంట్ నో టాక్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్. రియల్లీ ఇంగ్లీష్ దిస్ ఈస్ okay. Thank you so much dear parents and DAV school. Thank you so much sir.
It's a great evening we have been planning and waiting for. It's great to see you all here. Myself, P. Sai Pallani. I am one of the compeers. A magnanimous evening to one and all. Myself, Meghana Lakshmi. I am one of the compeers. I am Tasneem Kausar. I am one of the compeers. I am Satya Pritika. I am one of the compeers.
Myself Jitendra. I am one of the compeers. My name is Jonathan and I am one of the compeers.
For any major enterprise, he is the patron of intellectuals and others too. Ganesha is the remover of obstacles. He is the patron of arts and sciences too, and the Deva of intellect and virtue. He is honored as the Deva and he is blessed by everyone. Come on, let us chant.